So I love that John Deaton came out and has broached this subject. And so I want to basically talk about this, the fact that the ongoing legal battle that Ripple has with the SEC is hurting XRP and Ripple in this context. Okay. And it's hurting adoption. Basically, there's two instances here that we're going to talk about. One is Amazon Pay. The other is another partnership where specifically the concerns around what is going to happen or not happen and kind of the continuation of the Ripple SEC lawsuit drama is hurting Ripple in a certain context. Now, that's here in the United States. I'm going to remind you, this is not an all bad scenario. Ripple is a global business, and there are countries and businesses globally that are fast, very quickly adopting Ripple's, technology, and which will positively impact XRP in the long run. But we're really talking about two instances here. One of them being obviously Amazon Pay, and that is absolutely a thing, right? The fact that adoption by Amazon Pay, i.e. XRP, the lawsuit with Ripple is hurting them. This is a biggie, in my opinion, and it's one that this one catalyst is massive. Would be and is massive for the the Ripple / XRP camp, right? So the other one I want to talk to you about is BitPay. So the fact that BitPay was moving forward with a partnership with Ripple, basically, giving customers the option to pay with XRP on checkout. Well, that fact is now stopped because basically BitPay is leery of the SEC lawsuit. And I don't, necessarily blame them for that. Now, we know, again, that the SEC lawsuit has already gone down. We know that it was effectively a win for Ripple, and what SEC will or will not do as far as an appeal, that's a different dialogue. But this is all here. Okay. It's all part of it. Right. And if we switch over and kind of take a look at the XRP chart, we are faced with the same. Now I'm going to tell you point blank, this is a 4-hour chart for XRP. And this chart looks exactly the same as everything else. Bitcoin chart looks like this. Ethereum chart looks like this. We're in this consolidation phase right now where you see the green, where my picture is over it. I apologize. There you go. Where you see the green right there. That's what everybody's chart looks like, right? And so just FYI, not any major movement's going to happen. I'll see you. Bye.